I just wanna die. I don't wanna be alive. I don't wanna be alive. I just wanna die. And let me tell you why. Hey y'all, we coming straight from the crusty 3 4 a.m. Chronicles. So yeah, I look dead and I look nasty like this because it's 3 and 4 a.m. when I recorded this. But first I'm gonna start off by wetting, or should I say dampening, my hair, and so I can get ready for a ponytail. Wait, this is not a ponytail tutorial. This is a wash and go tutorial. What are you talking about? So now I'm combing out my curls and my kinks and my coils, as you guys would say. I really gotta clear my throat right now, and I'm trying not to, but hold up. Excuse me, I'm back. So my hair was a little. Ooh, my hair was a little bit dry. So yeah, I'm 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 still combing it out. So I don't really section my hair off perfectly. I just do random sections. So I'm gonna be using a Pantene conditioner. I don't remember the name, but it smells so good, y'all. Y'all, like, I gotta put y'all on. It smells so good, like. But yeah, I'm using that along with my curls cream, something, I don't know the name, Bella curl cream or something. I'm going to put the links in the description box, but I'm using those two combined. So this is a 2 product wash and go. And this is also an attempt. I didn't really know how this was going to turn out, so yeah, I'm just going to excuse me, y'all. It is 12:05 a.m. and I'm so sleepy right now. Like, I don't know, but I'm gonna go now because it's just awkward. I'll talk to y'all in the next clip. Okay, so now I'm just gonna blow dry my hair with my diffuser attached, and I hate using high heat. So I started off using medium heat, and I'm singing now, but I started off using medium heat, but it was taking too long, so then I had to use high heat. But when I actually had time, like I said, this was at 4 in the morning, so I was ready to go to bed. But if I have the extra time, I like to do medium heat and medium pressure, or whatever you call it, because it reduces the amount of frizz and the, I don't know if you really can get heat damage from this, but I'm just so scared. Oh, that scared the mess out of me. Anyway, like I was saying, I'm just so scared of heat damage. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep on drying this, and I don't wear my hair out anymore because ever since I cut it, I just feel like I look more and more like a little boy. I feel like I literally look like Corbin Blue, and that's not the look that I'm going for. But I don't know. I want to try flexi rod sets and perm rod sets, so let me know if y'all want to see that. But this video is coming to an end. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and tell me what you want to see, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.